What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. Hope you guys getting ready for a green week this week. Pre-market is looking good. Guys, I'm here to give you guys 7 stocks that's between $10 to $20 that is definitely going to run up over the next few weeks. With these stocks, you can grab shares, you can trade options, whatever you want to do, but you definitely going to make some money. So, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell down below, and that way when I drop these jewels, you guys will be first in line to get this content right off the top. So with that being said, we're going to get right into it, guys. My number 7 company on this list is a company called Aurora Cannabis Company. The ticker is ACB. Now listen, ACB finished last week trading at about $10.60 a share, and it's a marijuana company for you guys that's not familiar with the company. And the thing is, with marijuana, I'm really bullish on the sector as a whole. You guys know the reasons. I've stated it before on this channel. Essentially, the Democrats are decriminalizing and legalizing marijuana pretty much all over the U.S. Virginia and New Jersey were 2 of the last places just last week to decriminalize and legalize marijuana on certain levels. So with that being the case, I do believe that ACB is a company that could take advantage of that. It pulled back a good bit last week. It was not a great week for the market as a whole and the marijuana sector. But I do believe that if this week is green, the next few weeks are green, the ACB is going to go back up again. So it could be a good buy for you guys. That's my number 7 company. My number 6 company is a company called Glu Mobile. The ticker is GLUU. Last week, they finished the week trading at about $12.50 a share. And Glu, they make pretty much mobile games for your cell phone. I know I play a few games that they make. One of my favorite games is Ramsey Dash. I'm a food guy. For you guys that know me personally, you know I'm a chef by trade. So I love food games. And one of my favorite food games on mobile they make. But recently, they were purchased by Electronic Arts. And Electronic Arts did it because they said they were looking to increase their mobile video game presence. So with that being the case, they see Glu as a great pickup, and they paid a good bit of money for that pickup. So I can see Glu Mobile running up. They already ran up a good bit because of that, and I believe that it could continue. It's a stock that traded, like I said, at $12.50. I can definitely see it getting up to $15, $16 a share. So keep your eyes on Glu Mobile. It definitely could be some good money in it for you guys. My number 5 stock is a stock called Workhorse. That's WKHS. That's the ticker for that. Workhorse finished last week on a huge downtrend. It finished trading at about $16.07 a share. Now, as I said, the market pulled back as a whole, so that was one thing. But Workhorse also had a contract, or so they thought, with USPS to make some vehicles for them. And that contract fell through, and the company as a whole pretty much tanked. So a lot of people got out of Workhorse. The shares was up over $35, $36 a share. Now it's trading at $16 a share. I still believe in the EV sector. I'm really big on the EV sector. And I'm actually moderately high on Workhorse. I believe that they have people running a company that's business oriented and that understand they need contracts like that to make it work. So my guess is even with losing the USPS deal, they'll find a deal somewhere that will ask them to produce some more vehicles, and they're going to do it. And I think that if that happens, the stock price is going to run back up again. Like I said, it dropped over 50%. So it definitely has a lot of room to run up. It just needs a catalyst. And I'm going to look for Workhorse to find that catalyst over the next few weeks. So Workhorse, WKHS, is definitely my number 5 company, trading between $10 and $20 that I think you guys can make some money on. My number 4 company is a company called Clean Energy Fuels. That's CLNE. That's the ticker. Now, last week, they finished trading at about $13 a share. And with Clean Energy Fuels, as the name pretty much tells you, it's an energy company. You guys that watch the channel know that I'm big on energy. I believe that sector is going to have a really good next 4 years. And that being the case, Clean Energy is, kind of putting their foot down. They've ran up a good bit this year already, and I believe that there's more room to run in this sector and in this particular company. They've already been on a hot streak. I expect the hot streak to continue, and it's definitely going to be a play. Like I said, you could buy shares on and make money, or you could trade options on and make money, or you could do both and make money. And guys, of course, you all know we are here for what? To make money. So there you go. That being the case, that was my number 4 company. My number 3 company that I'm big on, that I expect some nice things to come from, is a company you guys have heard me talk about time and time again, and I'm going to continue to talk about time and time again. I'm really bullish on this company, even though nobody's talking about it right now. It's a company called Veru. That's Veru. It's an oncology company, and they've really been making some headwinds for themselves. Last week they had a share offering, so they fell because of that, as well as the entire market fell. And the pullback was fine. I think it was well timed because they did run up to 52-week highs, but they finished trading at around $13.77 a share or something along those lines, which is now about $8 off of their 52-week high. And the thing about Veru is the share offering, I think, was at a great time because the share offering is going to lead to them having more money to do more research on cancer, which is something that they're big on trying to get answers and medications for and things of that nature that can help people going forward. So that being the case, I'm definitely big on Veru, and I believe that the further they drop, the better it's going to be to buy for a long-term hold. And the further they drop, I think it'll give you guys opportunities, such as myself, to probably grab calls on them, long calls, and it'll be smaller premiums than would have been when they were near their 52-week highs. Keep your eyes on Veru, guys. It's a company that I'm really big on. My number 2 company on this list, guys, is APHA. That ticker is APHA. That's APHA. They finished last week trading at about $18 a share. And again, like I said with ACB, this is a marijuana company. And the marijuana sector, like I said, it pulled back. But APHA has a lot of the makings of one of the better marijuana companies right now. One of the best things they got going for them is the deal that they have going with Tilray, in which it seems like they got the better end of the deal with Tilray. I believe they are a better buy than Tilray, and they're at a cheaper price than Tilray. And this company right here, when the marijuana sector takes off, I expect this company to be one of the trailblazers that's going to really carry the bell, so to speak, for this sector. So you definitely want to keep your eyes on them. Like I said, they finished trading at about $18 a share, but they have plenty of room to run. And if they run up, guys, please keep your eyes on the sector so you can get in and make yourself some money. I know it's a sector I'm definitely going to be heavily involved with over the next few weeks and the next few years. It's just easy money in that sector, I believe. The more companies, the more states decriminalize and legalize marijuana and its usage, the more this is going to run up. So keep your eyes on it. My number 1 company on this list, between $10 and $20, that can make you some great money is FCEL. That company ticker is FCEL. FCEL. So they finished last week, and they were trading, I want to tell you, they was trading at about $17 a week a share when they finished last week. And FCEL had a bit of a tough time with the oil price running up crazy with everything that was going on in Texas and all over the world, I suppose. They definitely pulled back a good bit. They were up trading at around 25 a share or something along those lines. And the pullback definitely affected that whole sector. The whole energy sector pretty much took a hit. If you did anything with energy or gas or oil, whatever the case may be, last week wasn't a great week for you. So FCEL definitely pulled back. But this company has already came a long way. Just last year, they were trading at about $2 or some change a share, and now they're up to about $17 a share. And I believe they've gotten as high as about $25, $26 a share. So with that being said, there's definitely room to run up as soon as the oil pricing get fixed. And I'm looking at FCEL as a company that could take advantage of that. Those companies, FCEL, Plug, even Clean Energy, TELL, other companies in that sector, I definitely look for those companies to take advantage of when the oil pricing gets fixed. And my guess is that's going to be sooner rather than later. So these are definitely 7 companies that can make you guys some good money, and they're not really expensive companies. So you can get lots of contracts on them at one time and not have to pay a big premium, or you can buy lots of shares at one time and not have to use a lot of your buying power. And it's a great way to build your buying power, because when you sell these for profit, you're going to be making 100% profit on these types of trades, 80, 90, 100% profit. And that's always a great trade. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this content right here. If you did, I will definitely put in the cards my next video, my previous video of when I gave you guys 10 stocks that could double or triple your money. And I'm going to put that right up here. So guys, definitely check that out. It's your boy, the Options Boss. Don't forget, you can always be a boss with the Options Boss. I'm a holla when I holla.